It's about time I do my once every few months knife project and hope that I don't get laughed off of YouTube. This is a piece of D2 that's about a ½ inch square and 5 inches long. I recently came into a bunch of this steel. These are offcuts of very high quality Korean D2. You can see here I've got literally more than 1,000 pieces. They're all between about 3/8 and ½ inch square and 5 inches long. If anyone places an order and wants a piece or two for free, or if you would like to directly purchase a larger quantity, just let me know. Mamma mia, this stuff is hard. D2 can make for a really nice knife or a straight razor or other edge tools like that. These fullering dies will help me to draw this out much quicker. I need to give a big shout out to Mikhail Ackerback and Stephen Watkins for their recent generous donations. Thanks very much, fellas. And if you have a guillotine tool with fullering dies, try hammering in this X pattern to draw even quicker. It sure has taken me a lot of heat just to get to this point. I don't have the knife-making gene or something like that, but it doesn't stop me from enjoying the occasional knife. And my wife and I use most of my knife creations, plus I give the occasional knife as a gift, and that makes me really happy. I'm just going to let it normalize and do no other heat treating. And in my experience, with this D2 steel, that's enough. Okay, the handle end is probably too short. Thinking about fullering it to draw it out some, but I think I'll leave it as is. You guys probably don't know this, but they cut my part out of the Wizard of Oz. The part where I sang, "If I Only Had Another Inch." This flap disc here is 400 grit. These leather discs that I made and having them rotate away from you with a little bit of compound really puts an edge on a knife. My wife says the handle suits her just fine, so that's good. No one will confuse me with a professional knife maker, but I'm getting better. I appreciate everyone who watches and supports the channel. We've got a lot more fooling around to do.